Hi guys, welcome to our channel, El Tapatio, and I'm here with Sebastian and Joshua.
Hi Cesar, how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you, Sebastian?
Hi, good too.
Okay, excellent. Well, we're going to talk about contamination. And Sebastian, can you talk about something?
Well, today I'm gonna talk about the pollution in the cities, which is something really important for all of us, or for most of us, because we all live in the city and it's really dangerous, the contamination that we are facing right now, because it has gone off the charts, the level of contamination that we are in right now. Did you know that approx 7 million of persons in the world are killed around 2012?
No, I didn't know
No,
that.
I didn't too. But that's interesting because we all live in the city, and that's
Yeah, and the air quality in the cities is the result of a complex interaction between natural and anthropogenic environment conditions. This is a fact that we all really have to face, and I think one of the most big issues on the cities are the cars and the trucks and everything that drops the contaminated air and makes the smoke clouds and everything. I think that's one of the biggest issues, and I think that people could start using bicycles instead of cars to go to their destinations and everything, so we can slow down the contamination for a while.
Well, it's a good idea, but the jobs of the people is
Too long.
too long to their homes. So I don't know if we can use that in our city.
Well, yeah, I think that's a good
Point.
opinion about it. I live half an hour away from my school and from my home, so I for me it would be really exhausting and long, the distance that I have to go to, but I think that it's the only way we can.
yeah. And like you are and another thousand of people, that's the same situation. They live too long to the homes or to the school, and that's hard to say, but
Yeah, and in 2020, we expect that around 9 million people will be dead because of the contamination. We are 2 years long from 2012, but I think it's a good time to start thinking about it, and maybe one of those 9 million people will be dead. Maybe will be one of our family, and I think we have to care more about this problem here.
But when we already start to think about it,
that's right. And well, we're going to talk about. You want to talk about the oceans?
Yes, I'm gonna talk about the oceans. And well, did you know about the Gulf Weed?
No, what is that?
It's a kind of algae, and it's growing up very fast in the Cancun beach. It's a very important problem in today because the beaches are getting ugly and nasty.
And have you gone recently to Cancun, you said?
Yes, actually, you can't get into the beach because it's horrible. This
I,
is
I haven't gone to Cancun, but I believe you that this is a real problem here in one of the most famous beach in Mexico.
yeah, yes, and all about the pollution, the people that doesn't care about the ocean, they go and throw up trash and all this kind of stuff.
And something I've heard, not just in Cancun but in many places, and a famous topic about this is that many turtles are being dead, are appearing dead because of the straws and everything people throw, like you say, trash in the oceans.
Even the people kill them because traditions, you know, they even like to eat their eggs. It's not just because of the pollution, it's the people too.
Yes, I heard about it, and I think it's something weird because you know the turtles are in dangerous, so it's super important to talk about that, and the people reflect about these topics. But well,
So, and do you have any ideas of or things that people could do to stop this problem in Cancun?
Well, they are trying a lot of things. They try to extract all this weed feed, but they can't. They grow and grow up. Even once again, it's like these have no solution, you know.
Well, at least people could stop throwing trash to the ocean. That could be a thing.
I think that's kind of a solution, but let's see what happens later. So, what can you tell us, Cesar?
I'm going to talk about the forest and the impact of the pollution in this zone. So you know about the forest. Every forest around the world are in a very problem because the pollution are in the air and in the water, and when all these industries and you know about the acid rain, that is a very problem because you know when the rainfall that can be affected by the forest and all the animals that they live in the forest. They can be affected by the rain and the water.
Well, it actually contaminates the lakes and everything that it's in the forest, right?
That's right, because it's in the air actually too.
You know, I have already heard about it, but I don't know what produced this kind of problem.
Yes, that problem was made because the pollution in the air with the cars and the industry, and they just drove in the water, and that's a big problem.
Yeah, and do you have any options that we could take for this problem to start stopping?
Yes, the people can make like a big part of the planet and put all this contamination in that specific place, but it's complicated to do that thing.
Well, in conclusion, I think all of our problems are like taken by the hand because I exposed the city and how the clouds of smoke that produce all the cars and everything, and that affects the forest, and also the people who live in the cities travel to the beach and they drop their trash and everything there. And so I think the first thing we have to do is everyone should change their form or their way of thinking to finally get on start everything from zero to eliminate all the pollution.
Yes, because finally the problem is us.
Exactly.
That's right. And well, it's our time to say goodbye, but we expect the problem.
So thank you for hearing us again. As my partner Cesar said, and Joshua, we hope that everyone change their minds and start making something right now. Right now, start separating the trash and everything, please. So
Goodbye, Josian, and goodbye.
goodbye,
Jessica.
Cesar.